of answering, the father told his son to take this rock and go sell it at a market. If anybody asks the price, raise 2 fingers and don't say anything. The boy then went to the market, and a woman asked, "How much is this rock? I want to put it in my garden." The boy didn't say anything and raised up 2 fingers. And the woman said, $2, I'll take it. And the boy went home and told his father, "A woman wants to buy this rock for $2. The father then said, "Son, I want you to take this rock to a museum. If anybody wants to buy it, don't say a word and just put up 2 fingers." The boy then went to the museum, and a man wanted to buy the rock. The boy didn't say a word and put up 2 fingers. And the man said, $200, I'll take it. The boy was shocked and went running home. "Father, a man wants to buy this rock for $200. His father then said, "Son, the last place I want you to take this rock is to a precious stone store. Show it to the owner and don't say a word. And if he asks the price, just put up 2 fingers." The son then went to a precious stone store. He showed the rock to the owner. "Where did you find this stone? It is one of the most rarest stones in the world. I must have it. How much would you sell it for?"
I used to play in this.
The boy put up 2 fingers, and the man said, "I'll take it for $200,000. The boy, not knowing what to say, ran home to his father. "Father, there's a man that wants to buy the rock for $200,000. His father then said, "Son, do you know the value of your life now? You see, it doesn't matter where you come from, where you were born, the color of your skin, or how much money you were born into. It matters where you decide to place yourself, the people you surround yourself with, and how you choose to carry yourself. You may have lived your whole life thinking that you were a $2 stone. You may have lived your whole life surrounded by people that saw your worth only for $2. But everybody has a diamond inside of them. And we can choose to surround ourselves with people that see our value and see the diamond inside of us. We can choose to put ourselves in a market or put ourselves in a precious stone store. And you can also choose to see the value in other people. You can help other people see the diamond inside of them. Choose the people you surround yourself with wisely. That can make all the difference in your life.
Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery, but today is a gift. That is why it is called the present.
Andrew. The first time we met, he started talking to me in a canteen. Andrew was kind, tall and handsome. I mean, any girl would have liked him. When he asked for my phone number, I gave it without a second thought. I was so happy. He often sent me messages, just asking whether I have eaten, what I was doing, how was my day. Once he picked me up to go to school together. I woke up unbelievably early just to stare at my face in the mirror. Was my hair okay? Were my pimples visible? Did I look pretty? When we arrived at school, many eyes stared at me curiously. I glanced at Andrew, but he was indifferent. It was just me who felt awkward and kept looking down all the way through the school corridor. You could say that Andrew was a pretty popular boy at school. Pretty much all the school beauties liked him, but for whatever reason he picked me instead, which, well, you could rightfully say that my face wasn't the prettiest in the lot, and my figure was as flat as a broom handle. Shortly after, we got closer, and would often go out on dates together, until one day, Andrew took me on a day trip to the mountainside. There, he took me to what looked like a villa. I was surprised when he opened the door. The whole room was filled with flowers and candles, Polaroid photos of us together, and of myself, which I had no idea how he could get a hold of them. I was so touched. I asked what this was all about. Andrew just smiled and knelt before me with a bouquet of roses in his hand and a box of the prettiest necklace I had ever seen. He confessed his feeling to me. I just nodded while holding back sobs and tears of joy. Andrew got up and jumped happily while repeatedly saying, "Thank you, I accepted his feeling." I just laughed, and then Andrew put the necklace around my neck. "Beautiful," he said. He embraced me and held my hand. We smiled, and I felt very, very happy, like floating on cloud 9. 1 year we were together through ups and downs. We had fights every now and then. Well, love is not all smooth sailing, right? The most important thing was that we could reflect on ourselves and forgive each other. Until one day I heard Andrew had an affair with my own classmates. I was devastated. I looked for him all around and found him chilling with his friends at the school backyard. When I confronted him, he only answered with apologies and that he was blinded by emotions. I was angry and disappointed. A week passed, Andrew kept coming to apologize, and I kept avoiding him. But in the end, I gave in and accepted him again.
As I live this life, I pray that I will always remember you, not just in times of trials, but also in times of celebration, not just in times of chaos, but also in moments when I experience unbelievable peace, not just in times when I have nothing, but also in moments when I receive so much blessings. I pray that you will always be on my mind, no matter what I do, wherever I go. I know that you are with me, and that you will always carry me through. Many imperfections, you are still with me. Thank you for being so faithful. I know I can face it on my own. But because of your kindness, I've come this far. Your grace carried me through. Continue to bring glory
olives up here.
But he's here probably.
You're not going to
Okay,
see
Kellen, go
anybody.
out first and you...
And then just open the door.
I feel so scared, Lord. My plans are all messed up. A lot of
Oh, I wanna see
unexpected
this.
things happen in my life.
I just wanna
I
have like
feel
all white.
So
Like,
devastated.
you know, nothing else.
I feel
It's
so
white.
clueless, Lord.
White.
Wait.
I'm so
That's all
helpless.
I'm trying to get.
I just don't know what will
People in the
happen
Philippines
next.
will think like, oh, it's not even enough of snow. Oh, I mean, the white people will say, oh, it's not even enough of
I need you
snow.
in
But the
my
people in the
life right
Philippines
now.
will say, ooh, never seen.
Please guide me to the right path,
So
Lord.
pretty.
Yeah, they're gonna be like, it's so pretty in there. I never seen a snow my entire life.
Wait till
I'm
we
so
go to work.
consumed with a lot of
Which part?
worries. I felt like anytime soon